What's good, YouTube? This is gonna be a little series I like to call Blunt Talks or Blunt Conversations. It's a play on words, because basically all I'm finna do is I'm finna roll up a joint and I'm finna talk to myself while talking to y'all, talking to myself. You feel me? Y'all can answer back in the comments, y'all can answer back in Discord, whatever the fuck y'all wanna answer back in. You feel me? I'ma answer all the shit back. Cool. But you know, we gonna take this time to reflect. I want to do this once a week and kind of reflect on how I'm trading while rolling up a joint, you feel me? So then it kind of feels like, I don't know, it's kind of like a way to take accountability for me doing stupid shit to myself, you feel me? While I'm in that state of mind. Also, it's just a way for me to put out more videos, you know, but more different types of videos. I don't always want to drop trading videos. We could always, do some little psychology shit. That's what this shit is, you feel me? This is basically acknowledging the dumb shit that you do while I'm watching the chart at the same time. You feels me? You feels me? Cool. So let me give y'all a rundown, feel me? Y'all excellent traders, part of the slime mafia. Here's the rundown. I'm a great trader, but my problem is I am a sore loser. And how do I explain that? Let me explain it to you. I'll win 3-4 trades back to back, 100 ticker boys, and then lose one trade worth $500 and go full tilt. I would lose 3 trades, and if I'm losing 500, that's $1,500 a trade. I would lose 3 trades back to back on the same setup. You feel me? Telling myself, oh, it's gonna play out. Allergies came in. My bad. But yeah, that's the dumb shit I do. You feel me? And I ain't gonna hold you. I have a tendency of blaming other people for that dumb shit that I be doing. I be like, oh man, Apex fucked me up, man. Oh man, this shit happened. Instead of taking accountability for it, you feel me? Lately, and of course, like I said, was lately, I've been doing a great job of taking accountability of that dumb shit, you feel me? Now, my last blown account, why did I blow it? The same reason I'm talking to y'all about. Hence the reason why I'm taking this new approach. Because I have rules. And my rules are supposed to protect me from that. But again, I'm a gamer, and it's in my nature to not like to take losses. And this is a game where if you have that nature, you are gonna suffer more than the average person. And that's what I be going through, bro. Cause check me out. I hate losing on winning setups. And guess what I fucking lose on the most? Winning setups. And you know what hurts the most? When you lose 15, 2 bands, 2,500 trying to catch this setup that wiggles all day for your account to then get blown. and then it drop. And the setup be super sexy. And like I said, that's my problem. I could look right here and be like, yo, this buy from here to here is 281, right? That's 281 ticks. One contract, that's $2,810, right? We done did the math. Quick maths, right? Now, now that I've said that to myself, right? My mind gets to working. That's just like, I bet. Slime, big dog, slime, big dog, slime, 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 big slimy, slime, slime, slime ball. Listen, you could just make 281 if you wait for the buy. That's the proper big man thing. You feel me? You see? Or you could wait for it to touch that M, then slide down to the time frame. You feel me? Go ahead, touch this M right here and reject. Make it more confirm. Make it more confirm. And then try to take the sell down. Thank God I'm on the sim because I might do that. And then try to take the sell down. See if you can catch 281 down and then 281 up. And I'll be talking to myself and I'll be like, big dog, you might be onto something. That shit sounds lovely, nigga. The whole time, that's not what I'm supposed to be fucking doing. You feel me? And that's how I fuck myself up. Because then, once I take a loss, no matter how much it is, it can be 200, 300, 400, 500, you feel me? Once I take the loss, it's like my stupid ass marries the trade. And now it's like, I can't take a loss on this. Not me. Like, I already see the bigger picture. You just need to go ahead and happen. And it'll fly up. Break these highs. And I'm still talking about, no, 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 no. You need to sell, big dog. I'm trying to force my will upon the market. And every M it throws on this time frame right here, I would be trying to take. So look, M, what could you get out of that? 36, and then it rejects up. And you'd be like, why I lost? And then you come over here and try to get something. Why I lost? And then you'd have been trying, you feel me? That would have been me. So I'm trying to get into the habit, you know? That shit is kind of killing me. But that also hurts me. Hence the reason why I'm not going to trade live until I feel like I got this discipline shit down pack. That's what we working on right now. You feel me? I don't do no back testing no more. I forward test. As in, I'll hop on the sim account and I trade live market because I feel like back testing is cool to figure out your edge, but when it comes to testing your edge out in current market, ain't no time better than the present. So just trade present market. If you keep losing, maybe it's time to refine your edge. You feel me? Me, on the other hand, I don't keep losing. I just lose on one trade 16 times. Like a fucking dummy that don't know that shit is fucking stupid. And I know that shit is fucking stupid, right? But do I really know that shit is stupid? Because I can't say I know that shit is stupid if I keep doing it, right? That's what some of y'all would say. That's what a lot of y'all would tell me. You can't say it's stupid. Obviously, it's some type of method to my fucking madness, right? No, it's fucking dumb. I need to stop doing that shit. I'm smoking crack, but that's my problem. I'm a sore loser. And I'm trying to fix that. Hence the reason why I'm taking this dub and then I'm gonna take all my fucking L's in the sim account. So then it's gonna be like a fresh week again. So I take a big ass, bougie ass trade. Finna stop. Finna go crazy though. You know, Apex got all they fucking sassy ass rules. The joints roll. If y'all ain't finished rolling y'all joint, and I was taking my time because I was talking a bunch of shit. Then y'all is slow as fuck. But me on the other hand, I was talking. I'm making a YouTube video. What's your excuse? Oh, slow rolling ass nigga. But now that we rolling, you feel me? You get your snacks or whatever. I got me a little fruit snacky snacks over here. Sometimes I hate these papers, man. That shit already got a rip in it. Just a little one though. Let me see if I could doctor that shit up, but we still gonna smoke it while it's fucking getting doctored up.